Welcome students, again we are with our topic poster making. We have already discussed few things about poster making. Let us now we can discuss more about poster making and how to make an effective poster and get good marks. So let us begin. The first step we should follow to get good marks to make an effective poster is to give a proper title. A proper title is really must for having a good poster. Then the next thing is highlight points. Whatever points you are writing, you should make some bullets, make some symbols and highlight them in points. Don't write a long paragraph for that. Use small highlight some small points and highlight them. Now the next step is draw related symbols for the topic. Whatever topic you are having, you should make your poster decorative and creative by drawing simple symbols related to your topic. I'm sure if you will draw this, definitely you will get good marks. Next is make some boxes or stars. Suppose you are not getting any pics related to the topic, you can simply make some boxes and stars and you can put your matter inside those stars or boxes. It is really going to give you a creative look to the poster and definitely going to impress your examiner. Next step is name issuing authority. So the name of the issuing authority should be mentioned in the end of the poster. Next is use small sentences to avoid grammatical and spelling mistakes. Students, generally we try to write long sentences, but in poster you stick to very small sentences and avoid spelling mistakes. If you will frame small sentences, definitely your spelling errors will be less and obviously grammatical errors will also be less. Don't give any chance to examiner to deduct your marks. Next step is mention date, time and venue. Whenever the poster is related to some event, always mention date, time and venue. You can mention these three things in boxes also. Next point is use slogans, taglines and highlight them. The use of slogans and taglines will definitely improve your quality of work and definitely give a good impression to examiner. So please never forget to add these in your poster. The next effective tip is make your poster neatly with proper spacing in formatted way. This is very important because your poster is going to reflect your creativity. So it should be very neat. You can use various writing styles. Sometimes you can use bold or you can highlight whatever you want to highlight in your poster by changing the font. The next step is stick to 50 words. This is very important because examiner is going to see that whether you are following the word limit given in the question. So you should not write more than 50 words. If you will write more than 50 words, your marks may be deducted. So now the next step is put your poster in a box. This is very important. Sometimes we just do everything but we don't make a box. This is the biggest blunder you can make and you can easily lose marks. You'll not be getting full marks if your poster is not in the box. So these were the tips. Now come to the common symbols that can be used for poster making. As I have already discussed that these symbols are going to enhance your poster making, poster writing. Then these are the topics generally taken in exam. First one is related to health and fitness, women issue, festivals, environment, social problems. And when you will practice more and more, you will come to know which topics are generally asked. So be prepared with the symbols related to these commonly asked questions. I've given certain symbols. You can think more of them and add it in your whenever you are going to practice, you will be definitely getting more and more ideas. So this one is for healthcare. You can make cross, then stop symbol for stopping someone from something, then it is earth, save water. For women issues, you can use this symbol. Similarly, many more are there. If you will practice, you will come to know. Then along with the symbols, slogans are also very important, and they are very easy to make also. If you are not knowing, just practice few times, you will be easily understanding what to write where. These are few examples I have given. Each one teach one is the biggest strategy to enhance the status of the girl child. Education is the only key to empower girls. Similarly, save the environment, save our planet Earth, conserve water, conserve life. All these slogans are very common. So, students, I think with these effective tips, I hope you will be able to get good marks and perform well in this question. So, this is for now. Now, after seeing the video, you can switch to the written work, and for any problem, you can contact. Thank you.